Where are you now? Oh my God! I lost that beautiful bird. He's flying next to me. The bird, the beautiful bird, and I thought I was taking a video and I didn't. Now they're gone. Now, hey, there you go! I found him. He's so cute. Where is that? I hope he's coming back. I know. It's a beautiful bird. That's the first time. It's look like eagle or what? Is that eagle? Oh, beautiful. It's stuck in there. It's different by himself. By itself. You cannot say. And it's stuck out there. Really? I am taking it right. Hey, let's move there. Why I'm not moving? Can go there. It's gone. Oh, what a waste. I have